Oh man, when I'm in the store, I'll be asking me what I'm gonna cook, what I'm gonna cook next, what I'm gonna cook next. Oh man, I ain't showing y'all too much because I don't like people want to be on video, but I run into a lot of people that does this stuff. But all right, let me go and get my stuff so we can start this video. What's good, cooking gentlemen, man? Hey, I know you just got eclipse out there, and the day I'm recording this, that's that eclipse. I knew it was gonna rain, so schedule changed. Just like last week, everything always come up when you're gonna film outside. But anyway, I'm going to do y'all a video because I'm like, okay, keep my, I got like, y'all watching me, so I'm gonna try to do the video, I'm saying, at least once every 2 weeks. If I can't get one every week, I'm trying to get to every week. But hey, I'm glad y'all sticking around though, because I got one of the best audience. Y'all been with me for years. Now, I know what I'm gonna do today ain't going because I had something to do with this here, but y'all will find out about that later on. I had another video that I was gonna do. We had the ingredients, but like I say, the weather, then stuff comes up. But this here one here, it's just I gotta eat something. So I'm gonna eat a salad, something healthy. And I know you can make a salad any kind of way. And everybody knows it, but just check this out. We had some leftover fajita meat and some leftover chicken fajita meat from a week ago, and I was gonna show you, but the weather and stuff and just things come up. Now come here, let me show you something. Come here. Now check this out here. Now I got some leftover chicken fajita meat. I got some leftover beef fajita meat. Now what I'm gonna do with this here? I'm gonna take me some eggs. And there's some yard eggs that would come from chicken butt. I know all of them come from, but these here, you know what I'm saying? These here, this the ass. And the other one come from the butt. This ass. Okay, anyway, I got me some this some cashews. I love them salted cashews. Then we got some salt, pepper. Now you can use any cheese. It's a salad. So I got a 4-cheese Mexican blend. I got a sharp cheddar, pico de gallo. I got me a cucumber, some bacon bits, and this is the farmer's garden salad. I like this one here because it's got the great tomatoes. So I got the carrots, got the radish and lettuce and stuff like that there. And then I got my ranch dressing right there. Now, we're gonna put these eggs right here. Now, a lot of people have asked Cook in General, they boil eggs. Easter just came up, and I went over some friend's house. I'm trying to peel eggs sticking to the shell. You peeling all the stuff off. And why do eggs stick to the shell like that? Now, I don't have it. I'm not a chef. I ain't no food scientist or nothing, but I'm finna show you my theory. This is just my theory, and it worked every time for me. I take my eggs, I put them in the water when it's hot, because I think when the water grabs it, it shrinks the egg and it pulls away from the shell, and every time it works like that for me. And I put them in there, just like that. I got a little salt in my water too. Just like that. Now, that's how it worked for me. Now, anyway, that's how it worked for me. I don't know how it worked for you. So we're gonna get this here, let's see, we're gonna call it a fajita salad. Hey, let's do that there. Man, because the eclipse day, look here. You can't see me. You see me. You can't see me. You see me. Ask somebody. Alrighty, from a previous party, I had some fajita chicken and some fajita beef left, and we're gonna use it on the salad. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that little, you know what I'm saying, when you put it in the freezer, you know what I'm saying, it got that little grease, so you wanna kinda go ahead, you don't have to warm it up in the skillet, you can, but you want to fast way, you can put it in the microwave. Go ahead and get that little grease off it, that way it can kind of cool off a little bit, and you won't put it on your salad too hot. So let's go ahead, throw that in the microwave, put a cover over it, set it for 1 minute, and let it start. And then we're gonna chop it up and let it cool off. Ask somebody. Okay, now you can see I got my chicken and I got my beef, got it chopped up. Now we're gonna take the eggs. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It shouldn't stick. See that? My theory, it does it all the time. I done went over people's houses, egg was sticking to the shell, and I told them the reason, my theory. I know it's probably something out there. I could have looked online, but I don't, because this worked for me. Hey, this worked for me, it'll work for you. Cook in General. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Hey man, I know we're just doing a salad today, but you got to kind of realize, what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Now, a lot of people know, you know what I'm saying? You watch I know a lot of talented people that cooks on the internet, and I know a lot of people I know, I'm not no chef, so you ain't gonna see me doing this here. Most people, I'm just gonna just cut. I'm just doing it. But I worked in R&D, so I ain't no chef, but hey, I probably created some of the stuff you eat in the background. You just never heard of me, because once you make ideas, it belongs to the company. You know what I'm saying? I have done recipes. I done, who can say China? Who say they didn't cook for Dubai? Who can say they went all the way to Germany? Who can say they done all these recipes in Jamaica? I can do these kind of cookings because I always done everything in the background, and I've done these dishes, and I've done them. But hey, I'm just trying to get my channel. Once I get this channel to a certain level, I'll show you what I can do because I want to do some world cooking. I want to do a world cook. I want to cook the main dish in every state in America and foreign country because I can do it. I can cook anything. I'm the cook in general. Ask somebody. There we go right there. Look at that. Now what I'm talking about. That's the salad. Now, I got my cucumbers on there. You can see I got my eggs, my cucumbers. I got the pico de gallo. I got the chicken. I got the beef. And then, you know what I'm saying, here, right here, you got these little cashews right here. Sprinkle a little bit of them on there. Oh, man, a little salt, a little black pepper. You know, a salad is supposed to be fun. I got the pico de gallo on there, you know what I'm saying? And, oh, yeah, my main thing right here. You can use Italian dressing, whatever you want to use, but I'm just going ranch. So I could do a video outside anyway, so let's go ahead and put that little bit on there. I know it's not probably, this is probably even healthy because I done put some stuff on here. It ain't gonna be, I mean, come on, we all got one place to go. I don't care what we eat. Until you eat a goddamn, if you can eat some salad and you can live to get about 200 years old, then come talk to me. Then I say it worked. Until then, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Hey man, I know this wasn't too exciting for y'all. But it was exciting for me because I had to change schedules, change meals. But hey, no big thing. You know, I could still cook the same thing, but y'all wouldn't see me film it because I had to go get stuff and this probably was going to be late at night. Can't do anything. But anyway, come here, let me show you, man. I'm saying a salad is a salad, you know what I'm saying? And don't forget, you know what I'm saying? You can add croutons, bacon bits. One of my favorite things on it, you know what I'm saying? Got that there. And then I got the, you know, the fajita chicken. And I got everything on it. And then those cashews too, they just make it more crunchy. It'll make more of a dish with egg. Sometimes you got to eat healthy, you know. And this really ain't healthy because, you know, what you put into it, all what you put into it. Like I said on the last part, you know, health is really ill. And just like the eclipse, I'm gonna do it. Ask somebody.